Hi, today in front of me Xperia 10 and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first we should hold for a while the application and drag this app to another one, and now we could see that we just successfully created the new home screen folder. If you want to give a name or rename the folder, just tap once on the name and enter the new one. For example, the apps. Tap to OK and that's it. To move folder here on the screen or between the screens, we should just hold and drag it. To remove the application from the folder to home screen, hold and drag it to the home screen. Also, you could remove it from the folder and from the home screen by this way. Also, if you want, you could remove all the applications with a folder together. Just hold it and drag it to remove icon. But don't worry, you will stay with all of these applications here and the apps menu. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.